Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking exactly which port your Surface Pro 3 has and picking the right adapter. This matters because the mini display port carries video but not always audio. Once done, plug the adapter into the Surface, then attach the monitor cable to the adapter and monitor. Make sure both devices are powered on. If you use a docking station, dock first, then connect the monitor cable. This sequence reduces confusion and speeds up detection. After the physical connection, watch the Surface for automatic detection. If it doesn't appear, open Settings, go to System, then Display, and click Detect. Next, arrange displays by dragging their icons so cursor movement matches reality. Choose Duplicate if you want the same image, or Extend to use extra screen space. Set the recommended resolution and scaling for the monitor to avoid blurry text. Once configured, move windows to verify placement and adjust orientation if needed. Finish by confirming audio routing if you used HDMI. Set playback in sound settings. Then test performance with a video or window drag to ensure responsiveness. If you see no image, restart both devices, reseat the adapter, and try another cable or monitor to isolate the problem. This rules out a bad adapter. One quick troubleshooting tip. Update the display driver via Device Manager and reboot. Many connection hiccups clear after a driver update and a restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.